One should then contemplate and examine the uses of the members of the body and the various ways in which each one of them contributes to man's welfare. The hands were created to give and take, the feet to walk, the eyes to see, the ears to hear, the nose to smell, the tongue to speak, the mouth to eat, the teeth to chew, the stomach to digest, the liver to purify the food, the tubes for removing superfluities, the bowels and bladder for temporary retention. The heart is the reservoir of natural heat and the wellspring of life. The brain is the seat of the spiritual faculties and the source of sensation and the nerves. The womb preserves and develops the seed, and so it is with the rest of the members of the body. Their hidden benefits are even greater than those which are known to us. Similarly, whoever studies the natural, internal functions of the body, the digestion process, and the distribution of nutrients to each one of the body parts, will behold signs of wisdom which will inspire him to thank God and praise the Creator. As David of blessed memory said, "All my bones will say, God, who is like you." Food is conveyed to the stomach in a tube that is absolutely straight, without bend or twist. This tube is called the esophagus. The stomach then grinds the food more thoroughly than the teeth did initially, and sends it to the liver through fine veins which connect these two organs. The veins serve as a filter for the food, to prevent anything coarse from reaching the liver. The liver converts the food into blood, which it distributes throughout the body, sending it to all its parts through channels, much like water pipes, prepared for this purpose. The waste substances that are left are eliminated through ducts made especially for this purpose. That which is of green bile goes to the gallbladder. That which is of black bile goes to the spleen. Other humors and juices are sent to the lungs. The refuge of the blood goes to the bladder. Meditate, my brother, on the Creator's wisdom in structuring your body, how He placed these organs in their proper places to receive the waste substances, so that they not spread throughout the body and make it ill. Then consider the formation of the vocal cords and the instrument of speech. The larynx is hollow in order to produce the voice. The tongue, lips, and teeth are for the enunciation of consonants and vowels. These organs have other uses also. The air enters the lungs through the larynx and trachea. The tongue is for tasting and is helpful also for swallowing food and drink. The teeth are for chewing. The lips allow one to retain liquids in the mouth and swallow the quantity required in a controlled fashion. The other members also have uses. Some are known to us, while others are unknown. Then, my brother, contemplate the four bodily faculties with their respective functions. 1. The receptive faculty, by which food is received and led to the stomach. 2. The faculty of retention, by which food is retained in the stomach until nature has done her work. 3. The digestive faculty, which digests the food, extracts the finer elements, separates them from the useless waste, and distributes them to all parts of the body. 4. The expelling faculty, which expels the remaining waste. After the digestive processes have taken from the food all that the body needs. Observe how these faculties have been assigned to the body to attend to its well-being. It is just like a king's court, where there are servants and officers appointed over the royal household. One officer is responsible for procuring the supplies needed by the servants and their delivery to the steward. The second officer is in charge of receiving the delivery of the first and storing the supplies inside the house until they are prepared and rendered fit for use. A third officer is charged with preparing the stores, rendering them fit for use, and distributing them among the servants. The task of the fourth officer is to sweep away any refuge or dirt and remove them from the house.